scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus derivatives and Taylor polynomials can look scary, but we will solve this complex free response problem together using 3 very simple, fast steps. First, we find the 4th derivative by applying the product rule to the 3rd derivative. Plugging in 0 gives us -2, which helps us build our initial Taylor polynomial terms. Next, we construct the 4th degree Taylor polynomial using our calculated derivatives at 0. This results in 2 plus 3x minus x squared over 2 minus 2x to the 4th. Finally, we use the Lagrange error bound with the maximum 5th derivative of 15 to prove our approximation is within the required decimal range. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for a perfect score.